Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to get voice chat on Roblox 2026 without ID. So let's start the video. First of all, click on Roblox apps. Now tap one more icon. Scroll down, now tap on settings. Now tap on privacy and contact restriction. Now tap on communication. Voice chat option not showing here, don't worry, let's see how to get the voice chat option officially. After that, now go back. Scroll down, now tap one help safety. Now tap on help. Search icon, now search for voice chat. Now tap one voice chat. Scroll down, now tap one no. Now tap one need more help, contact support here. Now fill up this form with your correct information. Now tap on username and tap on first name. Now tap on email address and tap on confirm email address. Now tap one device tab. Scroll down, now select Android phone. Now tap on help category. Scroll down, now select technical support here. Now tap one help subcategory. Now select how to others. Now type your problem here. Now tap one continue. Now tap one start plaza. Submit it now, then the Roblox team will resolve your issue. Thank you.